Hi there, this is Ditto dispenser. This is the dispenser. I bought this dispenser a couple of years ago and suddenly stopped working. And I found out that the sensor has a problem. So as you can see, I've lost everything and I've soldered. Okay, look inside. I soldered this red and black wire. Try to convert it to my own way so that it could work. This is the CPU. This is the PCB. This is what comes with it. I brought out this from the inside dispenser, and this is the sensor. So in this way, I'm trying to make this work without the sensor or PCB.